Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take 10 lines on biodiversity. 10 lines on biodiversity. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the biological varieties of a species. And a healthy relationship between them. Biodiversity, the biological varieties of a species, and a healthy relationship between them. Every species in the ecosystem has a special function. Without which the balance of the ecosystem may destroy. The balance of the ecosystem may destroy. Every species in the ecosystem has a special function, without which the balance of the ecosystem may destroy. Biodiversity helps in sustaining the food web in the ecosystem. Biodiversity helps in sustaining the food web in the ecosystem. Biodiversity is sometimes like a source of huge variety of foods. Sometimes like a source of a huge variety of foods. Biodiversity is sometimes like a source of a huge variety of foods. Biodiversity is the source of raw material. Which a human consumes or uses for production. Biodiversity is a source of raw material which human consumes or uses for production. The biodiversity provides provides us with fresh water, air, land, and other valuable things to survive, and other valuable things to survive. The biodiversity provides us with fresh water, air, land, and other valuable things to survive. Climate change. Climate change and natural disasters can be bridged only by preserving biodiversity. Can be bridged only by preserving biodiversity. Climate change and natural disasters can be bridged only by preserving biodiversity. Forty percent of the world's economy. 40% of the world's economy is completely dependent on biodiversity. Completely depend on biodiversity. 40% of the world's economy is completely dependent on biodiversity. Biodiversity has steadily come down. The past few decades. Due to increasing pollution. And climate change. Biodiversity has steadily come down the past few decades due to increasing pollution and climate change. Reduction of pollution. Preservation of species and reforestation. Preservation of species and reforestation are a few steps to increase biodiversity. And maintain ecological balance. Reduction of pollution, preservation of species, and reforestation are a few steps to increase biodiversity and maintain ecological balance. So this was today's lines on biodiversity. See you next time. Goodbye.